Wow, this is hot. All right, Dole Whip with the strawberry slush. So good. 10 out of 10. Easy. Is that good, Chelsea? That's good.
That's perfect.
It's so warm. Judy.
Wait, I gotta get some video. Brisket, German beef brisket.
German.
It's like
Christmas
a
bun.
Christmas bun.
But it's supposed to be a carrot.
This looks so good.
Video?
Yeah.
Good.
Unless you want this.
So good, we have to get it twice. Oh, actually, this is a different one.
Different one, but still.
Slinky pizza looks like a hot dog. Guys, what happened? I'm afraid. Right? Your face.
Sponge go free.
Oh my god, stop.